on cars of the 60s, 70s, even very early 80s, a common problem with what's called the multi-function switch. Most people just call it the turn signal switch, but it also handles high and low beam. Common problem is, especially on the right turn, is the lever will not stay up. The reason why is because the little shoulder wears off. There's a shoulder right here for the left turn, and this is the shoulder for the right turn. And what happens, that little shoulder wears off. So when you do the right turn, it won't stay up. Now, you don't have to remove this assembly from the car. Simply remove the two Phillips headed screws and pull it out of the steering column a few inches. You don't even have to disconnect the wiring terminal. Then hold it in the opposite direction for your right turn, and what we're going to do is use a very small file. Now, a file approximately that diameter will work. Just so happens this one has a point on it, but you want to file not the actual shoulder, but just beyond it, so that when you turn it for right turn, it stays. Very easy fix. Sometimes even the other one gets worn, and of course you can also file it. Now what can happen, you might file too much, in which case it won't release. So in that case, you simply do a couple passes on the actual shoulder, on the actual bump, and then it will release. Anyway, now we have one that stays in position, and you can reassemble with the two screws, and you're all set. Just saved several $100s in repair bills.